Hi, I'm Sarah Jane with Sugar Bee Crochet, and today I'll be showing you how to put a straight edge on the chevron blanket. I created this video to go along with the personalized lifetime chevron blanket. When making this particular pattern, you will need one end of each side of the chevron pattern section to have a square edge. This is to attach the personalized name section to. There are 3 sides, the left, the middle, and then the right side. You'll just repeat the middle section over and over till you get to the other side. So let's get started. We're going to begin with the right section, the right end. So you're always going to have the wrong side of the blanket facing you. So we're going to attach the yarn at the top of the double crochet turning chain on the valley side. Then you're going to chain 3. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is going to be working up from the end, from that edge, and you're going to put 3 double crochets in between each set of 3 double crochets, just like when you were doing the blanket. One, 2, and 3. Then we'll have one more. 1, 2, and 3. And now you're to the 2 chains that made the peak. You're going to double crochet in the chain that's closest to you, the one on the right side. Put a double crochet. And now you're going to chain 3 and turn. Now we're going to be working back down, and we're going to do the same thing. You're going to put 3 double crochet in between each of the 3 sets. 2 and 3. Another set. 1, 2, and 3. And now we're back down to the bottom, and you're going to put a double crochet in the top of the chain 3. Double crochet, chain 3 and turn. That's row 2. On to row 3. You will have one more set of the 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. And then you're going to double crochet in the top of the chain 3. Now we're at the corner, and you're going to chain 3. Turn, and put your final double crochet in the top of the chain 3. Now lay the piece back down, and you can see that we have filled in the area with a triangle. This is what makes the right edge square. All right, so now let's move on to the middle sections. Okay, so now we're going to start on the middle sections. For this particular pattern, there are 7 middle sections. You'll just do one at a time, starting on the right side and moving on till we get to the other end. So where you will attach your yarn is in that second unused stitch of the chain 2. So go ahead and attach your yarn and chain 3. So this section is also worked just like the blanket. You're just going to add the 3 double crochets in between each set of 3 double crochets. It's 1, 2, and 3. And then the last set before the valley, 1, 2, and 3. And then just like with the blanket, you're going to skip the 2 sets of double crochet to make the valley, and start your next one in the next space. That would be 1, 2, and 3. And then move on to the next 1, 2, and 3. I'm sorry for the noise in the background. It just started storming outside. 2, 3. And when you get to the top, there will be the chain 2. You're going to double crochet in the chain closest to you on the right side. Double crochet, chain 3, and turn. You're going to work all the way back down and up the other side exactly the same way we just did. You're going to put the 3 double crochets in between the space. One more set. Skipping the valley space. And moving on to the other side. Put 3, 2, last one, last set, 1, 2, and 3, and then you're going to double crochet in the top of the chain 3. 1, 2, 3, put your double crochet. Chain 3 and turn. Three sets of double crochet. Skipping the valley here, move right to the other side. 1, 2, and 3. Same thing, double crochet in that top of the chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Put your double crochet. Chain 3 and turn. And here you're going to slip stitch in the top of that chain 3. That finishes off your middle section. All right. Little knot in my yarn there. Pull your yarn through, finish it off. Now turn it over and you can see. So each section will be exactly the same going across. You'll have 7 sections just like this middle section. And then we'll move on to the left side. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to attach our yarn in the unused stitch of the chain 2 in the peak, just like before. So attach your yarn and chain 3. Then just like before, put your 3 double crochets in between the sets of 3, just like with the blanket. 1, 2, 3. Last set. 1, 2, and 3. And then you're going to double crochet in the top of that chain 3. Double crochet, chain 3, and turn. Going back up, you're going to put 3 double crochet in between. And as you can hear, the rain has stopped. Gotta love living in South Louisiana. 1, 2, 3, and then put your double crochet in the top of that chain 3. Chain 3, turn, last set, 1, 2, and 3, double crochet in the top of that chain 3, chain 3, turn, and put your double crochet in the top of that chain 3. Now you can just cut your yarn, fasten off. But now you can see you've got a square edge all the way across, and when you get ready to finish out and attach that section with the name on it, you're going to have a straight edge to attach that to. I hope you found this video helpful in finishing out the edge for this pattern, and if so, give me a thumbs up. Happy crocheting!